Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Maryam Abdinasir Abdinur. I'm one of the students of the Institute Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah. I joined the Institute last year at this time, March 2022. When I joined Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah, I did not know how to read and write the Holy Quran. And now today it is my graduation day. I'm very happy about that. I'm studying the Holy Quran and also had the chance to learn how to read and write the Holy Quran. I have reached a high level in the Holy Quran, although I did not finish the Holy Quran. When I came to Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah, I met good teachers and students, high quality education. After all of this, finally I want to thank all of my teachers, Ma'al Abduli, Ma'al Abdinasir, Ma'al Ali, Ma'al Sulaiman, Ma'al Ali, Ma'al Asma, and Ma'al Maryama. One thing I want to add, when you come to Somalia, Mogadishu, you should come to Ibn Qayyim al-Jawziyah because it's one of the best institutes in the whole Somalia teaching the Holy Quran and the Sharia.